Okay, geometry students, here's a video for example 4 for section 5.1. We're going to apply the perpendicular bisector theorem. What is the value of AD? AD is over here. Looks like it's 3x plus 2. But since we have this perpendicular segment and it's a perpendicular bisector because it breaks it into 11 and 11, we know AD is the same length as AB. Therefore, we can write an equation 6x plus 10 equals 3x plus 2 and solve it for x. So they solve it for x by combining like terms, or at least moving the 3x over to here and adding 10 to both sides. 3x equals 12. Dividing by 3, x equals 4. So then we know x is 4. And then you can plug into here 4. 3 times 4 plus 2 is 14. There's the answer, 14. Let's see, one for us to try. Oh, two for us to try. Click pause and give this one a shot. Come on back. I'm going to do it right here. This is a similar situation. We have an isosceles triangle with a perpendicular segment here. So we know for an isosceles triangle, the perpendicular segment is going to break into two congruent parts. So we know these two expressions must be equal to each other. So here, let's write that down. I don't have my pen on yet. Hold on, give me a minute. All right, 5n minus 2 equals 2n plus 7. All right, I'm going to subtract 2n from both sides. That's going to give me 3n minus 2 equals 7. I'm going to add 2 to both sides and get that 3n equals 9. And if 3n equals 9, when I divide by 3, that means n is going to equal 3. So I know n is 3, so then I'm going to take that and plug it in to here. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. Is that what they wanted? WY? Yeah, WY. They might ask for something different, so be careful of the question. Once you figure out what n is, then go back to see what they wanted you to solve for. They wanted me to solve for WY, so I plugged it in here, found out it was 13. Let's see what the next one was. Click pause, give this a shot, and then come on back. What's the value of OL? OL is this one. I'm going to highlight it for us. Holy smokes, how am I supposed to know what that one is? All right, let me change colors and see what we can figure out here. We know we have a 9 and a 9 and a perpendicular, so we know the blue is the same length as the red. Oh, interesting. We have, this is an isosceles triangle with the 17, the big one, right? The KJL. That's an isosceles triangle also. So that means that, and here's a perpendicular piece. So that means we have the same situation with this big triangle, that the green is the same length as the red and the blue. Now the green is 14, so that means the red and the blue are 14, but they're both the same segment. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. So this is 7 and this is 7. What did they want to know? OL. They wanted to know OL. So it's 7. 7's the answer. Let's see what you could have for homework. 14, 15, 22, 16, 17, 25, 20, and 24. This is from pages 207 to 208. That's it for this video. Have a great day.